That is where the adulthood there healthy lifestyle will be taken care of. So to begin with, all of you touch your eyes. All of you touch your eyes. How many eyes do you have? Two eyes. You can see everything, no? Aram? Why do you need eyes? Why do you need eyes? Yes, to see. Now all of you blink, blink, blink. Now look to your right, left, up, down. Yes, very good. So all of your eyes are functioning very properly. Okay? We have to take care of our eyes. We have to wash our hands every day. We have to wash our hands before touching our eyes. Okay? We should not rub our eyes with our dirty hands. Very sharp objects, by using pencil and like scissors. You should not keep near your eyes. Okay? That will harm your eyes. ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು